I have my puff pastry here right on the bottom of my baking dish that I'm gonna take a quick second just to spread that out through the entire bottom. That looks perfect, you guys. Moving right along here. We're coming in with 2 cans of apple pie. Yep, we're throwing it right on there. Go ahead, give those a good shake. All that delicious apple pie just coming right out. Ooh, I love apple pie. Of course, we want to take a minute to just spread that all out, just letting our apple pie just go from side to side all over the top of this puff pastry sheet. Oh my goodness, you guys, just a few ingredients here to make a masterpiece. So we have all of those apples right on there, and now I'm adding some sharp cheddar cheese, you bet it, right on top here. Now, I recently tried a Southern casserole with pineapple and cheddar cheese, absolutely loved it. I know we've talked about apple and cheddar cheese, so we're gonna bring it back here with a really easy 3-ingredient little dessert here. So we have the puff pastry, a nice layer of that apple pie, and now we're just gonna throw a layer of this cheddar cheese right on top. Absolutely fabulous, a great combination between savory and sweet. And look at that, we are all set, ready for action. We've got some delicious layers in here. We're gonna pop it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 20 minutes, and stick around. I think you're gonna really love this one. Oh my goodness, this looks absolutely amazing, and the kitchen smells awesome. Look at that golden brown cheese on top. I know that it sounds strange, but it is going to be delicious. I can't wait to dig in. I'm gonna get myself a really big piece right here in the front. Oh my gosh, that puff pastry just looks so perfect. Oh, along with that apple, yummy. Okay, let's see if we unstuck everything. Oh, yes. Apple puff pastry, some cheddar cheese. Have you tried this yet? I am so grateful for you guys, because without this, I would have never thought of this, because I would have never thought about the cheese thing, and yet it's been so delicious. I'm just gonna pick it up like this, actually. Give it a big bite right here. Oh, it's hot. It's super hot though. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I just can't even begin to describe the flavor, except really good. And I understand that if you would be like, oh, that sounds really gross, but I'm telling you, you have to give it a try. It's amazing, you guys. And not only to mention that if you made something strange like this and brought it to a picnic or a potluck or even maybe a church situation, then maybe everyone will just be really impressed with your skills. I'm gonna dig this down as soon as it cools off. Oh, I can't wait. It smells so good. We're almost there. Okay. Woo. All right, we're getting there, you guys. Well, I'm gonna see you later. Let me know if you give it a try. Enjoy.